Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a small video about how to create macros on Zendesk. It's pretty easy and simple, and almost everyone having a Zendesk account can do it without any problems. Okay, let's get started without wasting any further time. First thing what you need to do is log into your Zendesk account. I have already done that, as you can see. Here's my dashboard, how it looks like, and then there are tickets assigned on my name, a lot of them. Check that out. Then, as you can see on the left side, there is a widget bar wherein you see the different options. You need to go at the bottom, select admin, click on it, and then there are options. As you can see, already the page is open because I've done that previously. But if in case this is the page that will open, click on macros, and here's the page where the macros are created, and it will show you if they're active or not. As you can see, there are already 86 active macros, and you can see there are two different options to create macros. One is the shared version and another one is the personal version. Shared version means that it's available for everyone to watch and use them, and then there is personal one. These are for personal preferences if you don't want to share it with everyone. I'll create a shared macro. You can see there is an option, add macro. Click on add macro, and then there is another page which will open, and this is where you will create a macro. Now, first and foremost, the most important thing is the title to the macro, because if a user sends a question, a query, and you need to reply to the user, and rather than creating your own personalized email, if you already have created a macro, that will assist you in giving that kind of reply to different users. So when you are searching for the macro, the title will help you, will assist you. I'll create unclear problem. This is the macro that I'm creating right now. It's just a sample one, so please do not go into the nitty-gritties of the macro. Now, every macro needs different actions. This is the first action. This is the action that I'll select. There are different actions available. I will select as comment description, because depending upon the comment and description, I will use the macro. Then there are different channels available, all, web, and chat. I will select all, because currently we are applying to all the web users. So, and for future reference, it will be much easier during the chat system, if it will be available. Now here comes another important part, is the text. This is the reply that will go to the user. The user will see this. So it is very important. I have already created a sample text. So this is what I'll paste over here. As you can see, the entire text is pasted over here. It's hi, then there is this formula, ticket request name. This is not what the users will see. This is just a formula. If you are replying to multiple users, the user, whatever name he has mentioned on the ticket, it will automatically get placed instead of ticket request name. And this is the text if the user has given any feedback, but it's not clear. So we'll just give the information, thank you, that we appreciate you have given us the feedback. Now coming to the next part, that we are unable, we don't understand the exact issue that you are encountering. Okay, then we will ask for more information, if possible a screenshot, and an assurance that we will resolve the issue at the earliest. Then comes the closing credits, that we're looking forward to hear from the user. Then regards to emoji. We'll add another action here. I will keep it as status. There are different actions again available, but I'll keep the status. So once I am replying, I'm using this macro, I can directly use the status, and at the end of the day, this is what the ticket will look like. It will be either open, pending, or solved, depending upon what you want. If you want to continue with the ticket, you can keep it open or pending. I will keep it as solved because it won't reflect on my backlog. Once the user replies to the query, it will again go back to open, solved, and then there is this option available for all the agents across all centers, agents in a particular group. For example, I'm creating for India, then I'll keep it as India 1. If other centers are creating, they can use the center they want to keep the macro open for. The last option is me only. This is my personal preference. I need not share it with anyone else. So it depends upon the person who's creating it. I'll keep it as all agents. And I will click on create macro. My internet is slow. And as you can see, macro unclear problem has been created. We'll just make a double check, and at the bottom is there, it's activated. Now, unclear problem. Now we'll just take a ticket. This is just a random ticket. I am not going to try the user this thing, the macro. Now you can see this is the question. Now I'll apply macro, unclear problem, and this is what the user will get the response as. Hi Vikas Singh. You remember the formula that we had used? It got replaced by the user's name. Then the same exact feedback, what we wanted, the question, the answer that we wanted to portray to the user, and then I'll click submit as solved. That's it. As you can see, creating a macro on Zendesk is very easy. Hope I have helped you in doing that. Any feedback, comments are much appreciated. Thanks a ton for your time, and thanks for watching.